All right, looks like we are live. Good morning to everybody in the world. I hope you all are having a great start of your day. It is 6:11 a.m. Pacific time. Oh shoot, disconnected. What? Let's see, how is that looking on? It says I have an excellent connection, so I'm gonna just ignore that. But yeah, hope you all are having a wonderful start to your day. Let's go ahead and get started by looking at what happened on the calendar today. So we had US GDP numbers come out about 42 minutes ago. German CPI came out bullish or had a bearish number, bearish miss to the downside. GDP positive GDP 5.2% compared to what is that? Yeah, forecasted there it is, 4.9%. We got crude oil inventories coming up here in a little over an hour. So the market's opening up, or equities are opening up here in about 20 minutes. Let's see, then this evening, what do we got? So we got inventories in about an hour. Manufacturing PMI coming out of China, 5:30 this evening. So my calendar's on Pacific time, if you guys aren't already aware. Somebody let me know if my squawk service is too loud. So nothing too much on the calendar we need to be aware of today. Let's see, what do we got going on here? So I'll stay away from copper for a little bit. Let's look at the NASDAQ. So really bullish start to the Globex session for the NASDAQ. Couple really bullish candles. About to start continuing those drawings. So time frame continuity to the upside on the monthly. About to go back into time frame continuity on the weekly. On the daily, we're already above time frame continuity. 4 hour above time frame continuity. So we need to see where we're headed. Let's take this down to a 30-minute chart. We're gonna reversal initiates below that 16,137 on the 30-minute chart. But because we have all those time frame continuity, it's not something I really want to take to the downside. So we're going to see what happens on the open. Let's take this to 10-minute. Ideally, what I'd like to see happen is slow to get taken out, and then for us to go back up through the range and continue back into the time frame continuity. But we'll see what happens on the open. This might be a reversal session or a pullback session, creating a bit of a wick on the uh, daily chart. So we'll see if that happens. This might be a short term session to trade to the downside. Price can't always just continue going up. So we'll see how that plays out. Let me take down. Yeah, plan here on the Nasdaq. If you probably won't want to trade to the short side today. If we take out this low right here and we get a nice reversal, on a 5 minute or 10-minute chart, 5 minute chart, start coming back up through the range, going back into time frame continuity, I'm going to try to trade it to the long side if I can get a good opportunity. If there's nothing there, then I'm just going to not trade it. Oh, I should probably recap where I'm at with this account. So I'm on a take profit trader 150K account. And I was trying to live stream last night because I traded the Asian session. Uh, I took 3 trades in the Asian session. Let's see. What were those trades? Yeah, 2 trades in the New Zealand dollar, one in copper. The copper was a scratch. One of the trades in the New Zealand dollar was winner. I can't remember for how many ticks it was, but got 410 in profit on it. On the whole account, I'm up 325. So that's where we're at on that account. I've taken 7 trades on the account so far. Nobody's nobody's tried to chat with me, right? That's what I wanted to do. Fix this. The visibility. I only want it to be now. See if we can find some other opportunities. I'm gonna wait for equities to open before I do anything in the Nasdaq. I've learned my lesson enough time. What was that? What the squawker say? Could someone give me a sound check? Squawk. Squawk. Service. That weird to ask? Can someone give me a sound check on my squawk service? Save this. Trading log. Share session. Trades. Let's go. New. So 11:29. That's the session. I'm really tempted to go long right here, but I've learned my lesson enough time trading the open. Uh, that I don't want to get involved in that randomness. I usually let the market pick a direction and then I get in. Okay, so we're gonna watch the NASDAQ. See what's going on with crude oil. So we're inside week right now. Double inside week. We tried to go long or tried to rally here a little bit, but we're unable so far. If we keep holding above this 702, 7702, that would so looking pretty weak for crude right now. If I get a uh, pullback on a 5-minute chart or a 10-minute chart, let's see, what does this look like on five? I'll take a short trade on crude. Right here would have been a good place to get in. Oh, but I need to wait for inventories. I need to wait for inventories, so I'm not going to do too much on crude right now. Do we even want to call this watch list? We'll just crude. So what options do we have today? Let's look at wheat. What's wheat doing? So wheat's one of those products that have been bearish for a really long time. Corn is taking a dump right now on the monthly. Time frame continuity to the downside on the weekly, on the daily. About to hit that continued pivot on the daily chart right here. 4 hours about to go down, so Corn's actually looking really nice, like good trade. See what thing I hate about these time frame continuities down though, they don't give us good targets. It's not really pivot that we can target down here.
So keep in mind, UK's Chancellor Hunt is being questioned on the autumn statements at the moment. I've provided the live video on the feed for anybody interested.
What's the 5 minute chart looking like? Don't have much downside targets. So let me throw up. So I guess we'll do Corn looks like a good downside trade. I can't find a good place to manage risk on. So 3 ticks. So, I mean, there's a scalp there. I just can't find anything else to target. So equities are opening up in about 45 seconds. Hog is open. What are the hogs been? See, this has a nice look to it. This is more of my style. Even though it's kind of pulling back on the 1 hour chart. Daily chart's on a bit of a pullback.
So the market's on open imbalance,
Okay,
160 million to the buy side.
so this is my ideal entry right here. I like this. This is going back down in the direction of the higher time frame. Sweet. So stop is 34 ticks. Can I even afford to trade this? What does one contract do for me here? Two, 5 hour trade. 15 ticks, 38 ticks. We just can. Hopefully, I'm not wasting my time. Let's see. We can. This is a pretty nice trade if we can. See, how much does live cattle cost though? One contract. Markets. Sell at so 15 ticks. 56. Okay, I can afford that. Yep, 1556, and we're gonna sell 1 unit. Perfect. Let's see how this turns out. This is a good trade because this is an actual strat reversal on the 4-hour chart. Might get stopped out here. We'll see.
So noting after the opening Berlin, S&P 500's extending gains. It's up around 0.55% now.
Cattle.
So Israel's announced Israelis to return to fighting after the hostage return phase.
That was a nice little rally right there. Oof. I keep going, but I can't find a good place to get in. I need to wait for this to pull back on the 5-minute chart. So this is there we go. Let's stop now.
So according to calculations, Russia's offline oil refining capacity has been revised up by 12% in November from the previous plan to 2.714 million tons.
So that stopped out. No big deal.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and the unleading edge features for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
I'll take this in crude oil right now, actually, if I can get in on time. Let's put short position on here. That's fine. Stop. To our trade. Okay, I'm good with that. That is 11 ticks, 22 ticks. Okay. And two. That's 110 risk. Okay, I'm good with that. I'll go market. So this is stopped out there. Not chase. I was gonna take that right there, but I'd be chasing. So so what should we do? What should we do? 63 ticks. Jeez. 6 ticks. It's just like so sexy though, all that time frame continuity.
JP Morgan CEO Diamond says, I think there's a higher chance than others of a rate hike.
Guess I could go down to the micros, trade 5 micros on this instead. Let me not get too attached to this NASDAQ trade, see if there's anything else going on. Ooh, that would have been nice. I got that.
And Diamond says, I still think there's a chance of a soft landing.
So kind of like this, actually. Kind of like this. This is going. If I get in right here, unit, short. So what are we targeting? So we've got some targets down here. Let's go. Can we do 1 unit? Oh, missed it. Missed the breakout. Did I? We need to look at higher time frame. Yeah, I missed it. Oh, that sucks. I should have just taken it. That was a nice trade. Futures. So not some nice trades that I'm not getting in on. Had my mind fixated on that NASDAQ trade that so here's wheat. It's a nasty wick right here. Nasty wick right here. Take 1 unit of 1 unit. Can't can't find good places to manage risk on this today. Good trades, but I can't manage risk on them. I'm just gonna miss every single trade today by like 2 seconds. Is that what's gonna happen? Is that how my day's gonna go? Uh, don't really have an entry right here, but time frame continuity on this trade sucks. Okay, that's a good entry. We'll take 1 unit. Let's go long. Stick this right there.
Treasury here. 100 basis point from the day to 4.63%.
So 20 ticks, 34. Let that go. Even if it does work out, I don't like that one. I don't want to take trades just because I missed out on other ones. So what's going on in the Nasdaq? Okay, so now we're trying to get somewhere. Just this. Would have had a nice trade if I was watching this right here. Sure, it's just tanking. Nothing I want to trade in the yen. Gold, what are you doing, gold? So it was a good trade if I got in right here. You know what? I could probably go long right here. Go long gold. Take a shot. Long on gold. See how this turns out. This magnet tool sucks.
Any additional ceasefire agreement would be conditional on the release of all women and children hostages.
Hate that magnet tool. It's way too strong. There we go. So that is how many ticks? 17 ticks. Okay, so we're gonna do turn this into 2R trade. 17 to 34. Okay, I like that. I'm good with that. 34. We're gonna buy at market. Target. Okay, so I can adjust this to right here. So that get us.
At 10:05 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from Bank of England's Bailey, who delivers remarks at the 50-year anniversary of the London Foreign Exchange Joint Standing Committee.
I'll be right back. Trade's looking good so far. Until I said that, should have kept my mouth shut. Yeesh. That was really hard to hold on to through that. At 10 o'clock. So this is so this is the trade setup right here. This is like real deal strat stuff right here. So now we're aiming for this pivot up here, and hopefully, since we know that the broadening formation phenomena exists, it's going to broaden to the upside by taking out this target. It doesn't always do that, so you should front run a lot of the time. Front run your trade. Once it starts getting close to the target, pull back and take profit. If this thing starts pushing up above 30, I'm going to take profit on strength on it.
consumers are slowing down but not falling off the table. And Fed Sparkin says, I am skeptical that price setters at this point have gone back to where they were pre-COVID. And we have posted Bank of England Governor Bailey's full speech on the feed for all those interested.
This thing's probably going to continue to my target, but I've had trades
Fed
pull
Sparkin
back on me
says
too
higher
much.
than 1% GDP growth tells businesses that they can keep trying to raise prices.
That's three trades, and it did reverse on me, so it was good that I got out. I hate doing that. I hate getting out of trades ahead of my stop, but I got 1 R on the trade, which is nice.
Bank of England's Bailey says exchange rates can buffer against shocks. And Bailey says forex markets are vulnerable in periods of stress. And but Fed Sparkin says I'm skeptical for being on track for 2% inflation. And Barkin says a lot of services prices are still going up, driven by wages. I'm still looking to be convinced on inflation, says Barkin.
I'm turning off the squawk box. I hate when they just start saying stuff. Shut up. Well, I don't always make good decisions in my trading, but I feel like you caught me making a good decision right here. Held for this bar, which you guys can see went up, made this shooter candle right here, and most people would have got stopped out of that trade, as you know, because it looked like it was probably going to come back and take out the stop. Held through that because wanted to give it one last chance, and then held through this candle, got up to about 24 ticks and profit. It started falling back, and I really just didn't want to get reversed on, which is exactly what's happening right now. Just dumping. This thing is wow, dumping on this Barker news. I'll take 1 unit of that. Let's go short here. Let's try it. Let's trade 1 unit short. So since it's dumping like that, oops, 65.3. Okay. Come on. Took a few ticks on that. Really volatile with this. Measure my risk with this candle right here. Take it one more time to the downside. Oh, no, this wants to do the same thing one more time back up. Looks like it wants to reverse right back up on him. Broad informations, guys. Broad informations. You guys see that? Boom. We go up to the upside. Everybody gets long. Then all that news was hidden. Barker. What was Barker's his name, right? The Fed guy? Barkin. Barkin. He goes in on the news. People start wailing on it. Everybody who's getting long gets stopped out right there, including me, but I got stopped out in profit. Now a bunch of people getting short right here. This is full time frame continuity to the upside, so I trust the upside more right here, but broad information it takes out both sides of the range. Now it looks like it wants to do it again. Everybody who got short right here gets stopped out trying to go short. So take out, screw both sides over, man. Wow. We'll see if that happens. Yeah, I think this is going to keep going back down. Okay, I'm going to try short one more time. Hmm. It's this low right here that I'm watching. That's my decision point. If it starts holding below here, it's going to start falling back through this range and come down to 2057.7. All right. So now I gotta call it a day because I have a bad habit of over trading. Um, I'm only $5 down from where I started the session. I'm trading for what? I've been on here for what, like an hour and a half? Not an hour and a half, but an hour. That was my decision point, but then we had this long candle right here. Okay, we'll go for it. For that, I usually don't like trading after these wicky candles right here. We'll see if this was kind of impulsive. It might have been. Yeah, it might get stopped out right here. Okay, bad idea. Bad idea. All right, now I'm done. That was 5 trades. Yeah, wait, 4 trades. I took the second attempt there. And I want to take that because it's like that was the initial trade I was talking about. Or it takes a, okay, 5 or 4. 5. That's it. I promise, guys. Shit. Not what I wanted to do. I tried to get too fancy right here. Okay. try to get too fancy. Now I'm done. Now I'm for sure done. That was stupid. That was dumb. 150.50. Okay. Well, I'm still up on the account for the day. And it's an end of day drawdown, so I didn't do anything to my account or anything, but up 50 on the day, on the Globex session, whatever. You got to take trades to find the winners, you know? So I am going to end the stream there. That was 5 trades total. One of them I messed up. So gold long side, short side. Yeah, short side. And then I tried to go long, tried to go long for the 5th trade, messed up, and went short on accident. And then, what was it, the 6th trade, it would have been the actual long trade I was trying to go for, which I just got stopped out on. And so I'm up 50 on the day, but stopping myself out, so I don't want to be negative after a day I was just positive. So it is what it is, guys. I'm trying to do this. I've never traded live before, so I'm just trying to do this live, see how it goes, and just show you guys the process of, actually, how this looks like when somebody's trying to legitimately pass these things, because yeah, I don't think enough people put themselves out there like that. You're not always going to be perfect. You guys can see I made a few good decisions in the beginning. Then I made, a mistake on going short when I should have went long. And then also that last trade idea where I went long was just an ego thing. I was wanting to see if I could play the broad information in both directions. And you know what? It doesn't always work out. And to be honest, next time I'm just gonna trade the first idea that I had, which was the gold long side. I got the first short burst, got me 1R on the trade. And if I would have stopped right there, that would have been a good day. So you know what? Those are just learning experiences. I had I'd taken some time off from trading recently and just getting back into the swing of things. So no big deal. You guys are just on the ride with me, and I hope you guys appreciate this type of content. So I'll see you in the next